Welcome back, guys. It's been a while and had to prioritize some things during the COVID like a lot of you guys did, but I am back at it now, and I did do a little bit here and there during the little hiatus, but let me show you what I got going on today. All right, so as you can see, I got the bed mounted. I had some footage. I have to try to find it, but I lost a lot of footage, but you can see, just got to paint that now. I still need to get this side mounted because it's only mounted here. As I shorten everything down, that doesn't line up anymore. But all the mounts are done. You can see that. The only one I didn't put a bolt through is this front one. I just did a bumper because this one right here is bolted on. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then this is a bumper rest. This one right here rests perfectly on that little perch, and then this one kind of rests, but not really gonna do much there. It's close enough for me. But yeah, so that was, I actually shortened this twice. I shortened it, and then I did not like, I was literally about, man, a ½ inch off on my wheel well. So I went back, cut another ½ inch off here. I assume factory's a little bit bigger than this, but that's what I got. And then I did get the bumper mounted. I still need to make a winch plate that's gonna be down here, but as you can see right now, it's kind of roughed in. I have it two sides here on the frame mounts, and I will be putting a plate on this bottom part that goes across. That's where the winch will mount, and I'll put some tow hooks down below. I don't think I'm gonna have to box the whole thing in. I think 3 sides will be fine. And one last thing of what I'm working on today is I got a brand new takeoff Subtank from one of the mine companies up in Canada. It's amazing when they get the 79 trucks and they basically scrap the body, the fuel tanks, everything but the frame, and then I don't know what they do with them. So I've got it all, my brackets here. I'll get under there and give you a better look. All right, as you can see, just welded on some mounts here. I started with angle iron and added in a little more metal where I needed, but it was nice and simple. Just welded it on to the already there cross member. And then I did have to build a cross member for the rear. I used 2 existing bolt holes there on each side, and then built this. It did have to, as you can see, it bends a degree this way and then goes back. So it's 2 pie cuts I had to do here to bend the metal to, I think it was a 10 and 15 degree angle is what I used. And then, I don't know if you can see that very good, welded in a plate there for it to rest on and hid some weld nuts in there. So then it just bolts down, it doesn't go through. I wanted to keep it that way. I didn't, or I could have done a through hole and then I would have had to put a spacer there so it doesn't squish down. So I like this. It did take longer than I thought to do, but it is ready to bolt on. If I can just find the 2 bolts that I took off literally 10 minutes ago and laid somewhere on this clean floor that I cleaned yesterday, and I've been searching for a ½ hour. So I do have 2 other bolts, not quite as long, but they will do until, I know I just keep looking at the same damn place I think I put it, but obviously I didn't put it there. And then I did get another thing. Along with the Subtank I got, I also picked up a brand new front tank from the mine company. That will replace this one. I did have to bend the corners up here to get it inside the frame rail on this, but this one I had to dent the crap out of the tank, put a big dent right here to get it to clear the transfer case. I do not want to do that on that. And so right now I still have, I'm to the point on my 80 series that the transfer case is about to blow up. So I'm going to take this transmission and transfer case, put it in the 80 over there, and then I have an HF1A part-time case coming, and it has the shorter output flange here. That way the tank will fit better. So I'm just going to go that route rather than beating this tank. And I really don't, because that transmission or that transfer case in the 80 needed to be swapped anyway. It just makes more sense. Put this one in there and then put a different transfer case in this thing. So there you go. There's my update for now. I'm working on all kinds of things. As you can see here, I'm going to be working on figuring out an intercooler for this. And then I also have where is it? Right there. Ding, 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 ding. A new back panel for here that a little bit better shape. Another mine company scrapper, maybe in better shape. But there you go. Be ready for the next video. Give me a like and a subscribe. Subscribe kind of helps me out as I get back into this. More people viewing helps me out on the old YouTube. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys, and once again, thanks for watching.